Hi, here's a short introduction to the readings for Tuesday, October 10th. There are two items that we'd like you to look at today, and we're sorry to say, no videos. The first is a really interesting chapter, a portion of a chapter from Naomi Klein's book, This Changes Everything. It's short, it's about 9 pages, and it focuses on this notion of the polluter pays. In fact, that's one of the titles of the section. The polluter pays. Doesn't that sound a little bit familiar compared to some of the things that we've been talking about in this class so far? When you read this, be conscious of she's suggesting that the polluter must pay, and we're asking by what mechanism? How does she get the polluter to pay? And when she gets the polluter to pay, who benefits from that, and then who gets hurt? Now the obvious answer is, well, the polluter gets hurt, but maybe it's richer than that. Maybe it's more broad spread than that. So think about the spread of who might get hurt if we have polluters paying. And then the last question about this reading is, in your humble opinion, is this feasible? Do you think that the solution that she's posing here is something that would work in our economy? The second thing that we want you to read is Natural Capitalism, a chapter from Natural Capitalism by Hawken, Lovins, and Lovins, three giants in the area of sustainability. We'll ask you to read the first chapter. What the heck is natural capitalism? What does that mean? Can you give a short definition of natural capitalism, and could you even diagram it or draw a picture of it? While you're reading this, focus on being able to understand enough that you can answer questions about two big issues. One is, I'd like you to be able to compare and contrast the differences and similarities between natural capitalism and the capitalistic system that we currently exist in. So how are they similar and how are they different? Secondly, we want you to be able to describe and give an example of a service and flow economy. Service and flow economy. What the heck is that? What is a service and flow economy? What are some examples of a service and flow items within the economy? And see if you can come up with some concrete examples for that. So, two really interesting things for Tuesday. We'll look forward to seeing you then.